এই ভিডিও ক্লিপে আমরা দেখব শিক্ষক এবার একটি কার্যকর পদ্ধতি ব্যবহার করে দেখছেন যে ছাত্রছাত্রীরা ওয়ার্ডগুলোর অর্থ ঠিকমতো বুঝতে পেরেছে কিনা।
I am sad. I am sad. What am I? What am I? What am I? Sad. What am I? What am I? What am I? I am sad. I am sad. What am I? Sad. We are sad. What are you? Sad. What are you? Sad. What are you? We are sad. Everybody, we are sad. We are sad. What am I? Sad. What am I? Sad. Everybody, we are sad. Everybody, we are sad. I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. What am I? Happy. What am I? Okay. What am I? What am I? Okay. I am happy. What are you?
I am happy.
Happy. What are you?
I am happy.
Okay. We are happy.
We are happy.
We are happy.
We are happy.